Lead. Noun. A heavy, pliable, inelastic metal element, having a bright, bluish color, but easily tarnished, both malleable and ductile, though with little tenacity. It is easily fusible, forms alloys with other metals, and is an ingredient of solder and type metal. Atomic number 82, symbol Pb from Latin plumbum. Lead. Noun. A plummet or mass of lead attached to a line, used in sounding depth at sea or dated to estimate velocity in knots. Lead. Noun. A thin strip of type metal, used to separate lines of type in printing. Lead. Noun. Sheets or plates of lead used as a covering for roofs. Lead. Noun. A thin cylinder of black lead or plumbago, graphite, used in pencils. Lead. Verb. To cover, fill, or affect with lead. Continuous firing leads the grooves of a rifle. Lead. Verb. To guide or conduct, as by accompanying, going before, showing, influencing, directing with authority, etc., to have precedence or preeminence, to be first or chief, used in most of the senses of the transitive verb. Lead. Verb. To draw or direct by influence, whether good or bad, to prevail on, to induce, to entice, to allure. To lead someone to a righteous cause. Lead. Verb. To tend or reach in a certain direction, or to a certain place. The path leads to the mill, gambling leads to other vices. Lead. Verb. To produce with to. The shock led to a change in his behavior. Lead. Verb. Misspelling of lead. Lead. Noun. The act of leading or conducting, guidance, direction, course. To take the lead. To be under the lead of another. Lead. Noun. Precedence, advance position, also, the measure of precedence, the state of being ahead in a race, the highest score in a game in an incomplete game. The white horse had the lead. To be in the lead. She lost the lead. Smith managed to extend her lead over the second place to half a second. Lead. Noun. A channel of open water in an ice field. Lead. Noun. A rope, leather strap, or similar device with which to lead an animal, a leash. Lead. Noun. In a steam engine, the width of port opening which is uncovered by the valve, for the admission or release of steam, at the instant when the piston is at end of its stroke. Lead. Noun. Charging lead. Lead. Noun. Hypothesis that has not been pursued. The investigation stalled when all leads turned out to be dead ends. Lead. Noun. Information obtained by a detective or police officer that allows him or her to discover further details about a crime or incident. The police have a couple of leads they will follow to solve the case. Lead. Noun. Information obtained by a news reporter about an issue or subject that allows him or her to discover more details. Lead. Noun. An important news story that appears on the front page of a newspaper or at the beginning of a news broadcast. Lead. Verb. Misspelling of lead. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.